Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. Also, follow us on Telegram. You will see the link to our Telegram in the comment section. So make sure you go to the comment section, follow us on Telegram. There will be putting out some information that you will be needing on this forex trading. Now, let's take a look at GBPUSD for the next day, which is for the 18th. Now let's start with the trend. You clearly can see that this is a downtrend move, right? GBP has been dropping, giving us a lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Once it drops, then we had a correction, another drop, a correction again, another drop, then a correction. Now, when you take a look at something, I've put out this trend line, which is our trend resistance. You can see up here, and a trend support you can see down here. So once the market comes to this our trend support, we tend to see a movement to our trend resistance and so on. Now, when you take a look at this right here, you will see something, a reversal is about to play out. You all know the reversal patterns. You know, we have different types of reversal pattern, either the double top or the double bottom, or we have the head and shoulder pattern, or the reversal head and shoulder pattern, anyone. So something like that is literally wants to play out, which it has actually played out on Euro USD. I've actually done analysis on Euro USD, so check the channel, you watch it and understand what we'll be expecting on Euro USD next day. Same thing, something similar wants to happen. We can see that this is the left shoulder here, left shoulder on GBP USD. This is the head, right? This is the right shoulder, right? And guess what? If market eventually breaks above this level here, this neckline, then that is a confirmation that market has not given us that head and shoulder pattern. We will be pushing it up. There's something I actually checked the news yesterday. Later, I later checked the news. I saw that we will be expecting major news tomorrow. I think with 1 hour to London session, or during that London session, I can't record that time. It said, I think it is about CPI or something like that. So that news, it's that news push it down, because if it would be CPI, I think that CPI news will make GBP USD drop, right? So it is just the news. And if that drop plays out, it will just be a false drop. So be very, very careful of that drop. Do not go ahead and jump in and sell. The bias is to the upside. You would want to wait for a confirmation, and one of that confirmation is GBP USD breaking out of this neckline. If this GBP USD breaks out of this neckline, then that is the confirmation that GBP USD has now given us that head and shoulder pattern. Then we can now be looking for a buy opportunity. Like I said, our movement is to the upside. So like I said also, there's going to be a major news that will be playing out. So if that major news eventually starts making this thing drop, be very, very careful, because that will be a false drop. Because if that's in case that drops happen and you go ahead and sell, I can show you that price will correct itself back, and boom, it will actually get stopped out. But if in case that news pushes the movement to the upside, all you just have to do is wait for a correction or a pullback and go ahead and take your buy. So basically, our target now on GBP USD is to the upside. So be very careful markets dropping down, except maybe markets, just in case, if markets can just come and clear these lows. If in case GBP USD just come clear these lows, then we can now start maybe forecasting more on the downside. But right now, there's a head and shoulder pattern is literally forming, and you should watch out for it. It's very much likely to form and go bullish. So be very, very careful taking a sell, except this lows is being taken out. If this lows right is being taken out, that wants to serve like that wants to look like a double bottom here. If it is being taken out, then we can now start considering more sell on GBP USD.